Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Lock Screen. Now you need to tap on Screen Lock type and select one of those login methods. Swipe, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it and enter my new login method. When you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then select Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you can adjust all notifications on your lock screen however you wish to, and even disable them completely by tapping on the switcher over here. When you're ready, select Done and click on Continue if you wish to back up your pattern. I don't want to, so I will go with Home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!